For the circles and squares, I thought it was pretty easy to figure out the values. But for an elementary school student or a lower middle school student, I thought this would be a pretty good activity. So what you do is you basically just drag these shapes, and you get 7. So it gives you the value. So you know that the square plus the circle equals 7. You then do the same for 10. Then you get 11. But let's look at this. So we have 7 here. So we obviously know that something, each of these equals something. But then we get that here, 2 squares in a circle equals 10. Well, if we look at this, we have 2 of the same. So, in other words, just this part would be 7. But we have this 1 square left over. So this 1 square would probably be 3. So we can logically think that the squares would equal 3. So then if we try to look back, we could see that 3 plus what equals 7. And we would say 3 plus 4. So when displaying the answers, it is in fact square equals 3 and circle equals 4. I think this would be really good for students to use. I think this would obviously be much harder for students, but it would be something good for them to figure out. I think it'd be really good, a really good group working activity. And I also think that this would be cool if there were more shapes. I think that would definitely make it harder. And I think for our lower level learners, that if we had the value of one shape listed, then students would have an easier time with this.